Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TechUp. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on your notification on Messenger from your PC. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your Messenger application or go to Messenger from your browser. Then this type of interface will appear in your screen once you have logged into your account. There, in the side of your link, you can see this type of button. Click to it. From there, you can see notification. Enable the button, then your notification will turn on. This is how you can turn on notification in Messenger from your PC. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.